My brother-in-law lost power the other day with all the storms we had, so he was bringing some of his freezer foods over to store in my garage freezer. And he saw my two ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pros out there, and he was asking about them because they're in enclosures. And I said, yeah, I'm kind of setting them up so I can print stronger materials when I want to, you know, ASA, ABS, stuff like that that I can't print in the house. So he was telling me about some stuff he made for his disc golf cart. He was always a resin printer. Well, he started resin printing. He was printing before I got an FDM printing. But he recently picked up Anycubic FDM printer, and he was having a blast printing with it. The only thing is, he was printing with all PLA out there disc golfing. He was telling me his prints weren't handling the heat too well. So I started, the first piece I made for him, I printed up these for his Delta disc golf cart and print them out of ASA so they'd be more heat and UV resistant. So I think they'll definitely work out well for him. The only bad thing is I was having some issues with adhesion at first, and I ended up just switching beds, and then that changed everything for me. But yeah, those ELEGOOs are printing ASA pretty good, so I'm happy with them. Couple things I got to tune with them, but they're doing pretty good out there. Didn't think I'd be printing ASA and ABS at any time, but the uses for it, I can't beat it with PLA. So